Alright guys, I just bought a iRobot Roomba 980 and I've got it docked right here. It looks like it's fully charged. So I'm going to show you my apartment before I start getting it going. So right here, as you can see, we've got some shedding here, a bunch of dog hair. There's my dog Mia. What's up, pretty girl? She's not camera shy. And then we're going to go over here. Like I said, we see some here. There's also dirt, which might be a little hard to see with the hardwood flooring, but we're gonna keep going forward. We can see stuff right there. We can see some stuff going on over here in the guest bedroom, like over there. And then we're gonna go over here. Bathroom, there is some stuff right there, so we'll see how the Roomba picks it up. And over here we can definitely notice a lot of Mia's hair, my dog. So we'll see how well the Roomba picks everything up and see if this was worth the money. Because if it's not, then I'll simply return it. But we'll see from there. And over here, same thing, bathroom. And now that you've seen this before, I'll definitely get an after we start the Roomba. And there it goes. Alright, we'll see how everything looks afterwards. Wow. Alright, so we'll go from there. And it looks like Mia's a little afraid of the Roomba. She's not sure what to expect. She's never seen this before. This is pretty awesome though. Let's see if it picks up the hair. Well, I don't think you can go under it. There's the Roomba right under that small space. And there it pops up. I have a little piece of dog hair here. Let's see if it takes it. And it took it. Luckily, Mia is reacting fine to it. There it is. And Mia's just waiting patiently for it to come out. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, awesome. And there it went out. Awesome. So I paused it. So I'm pausing it because it looks like it might be full because it's not carrying all the dust here. So this is kind of tough to take out, but a little force will get it. So there that is. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this hole out. Right there. And as you can see here, you just pretty much take it out. There's a lot of trash here. So I'm just gonna go right here. Dump it out. And so a little progress check. It picked up everything from this range. It's starting to drop stuff, but that's just because the canister here was full. All you do is put this guy back in and it's good. take it out just like that. So first round, before it got full, when I noticed it started dropping stuff, it picked up all this from just that. So far, so good. And now, round 2. Go on, little buddy. Alright, now that the Roomba's all done, let's look at the difference. Looks like this was a professionally cleaned carpet. Look at all this. It looks professionally done. And it looks like it got everything. It took a while and I had to empty the trash bin a few times, but it really does pick up everything. There's so much dust and stuff that goes around. It even went over and got the carpets too. So it was awesome. Now we're gonna go over here and comparing from before and after, we look at how good it got everything. And all these little lines here, that was the Roomba at work. It even went under the bed and everything. And then I'll show you right over here. Even got the carpets nice and clean, got everything here in the bathroom. I am very, very impressed. Now that we've got that there, what I am going to show you is how much dust the actual Roomba picked up. It picked up so much dust. It's a big culmination of dust. It's a big dust ball, minus those water bottles because I drank some water, gave some water to my dog. All this is what it picked up, and I didn't even know. So overall, he even picked up the kitchen here. Overall, I gotta say, it is kind of expensive, but it's definitely worth it, especially if you don't have time to do it yourself. So I say this is a certified review, or you need to get it. Alright, if you have any questions, just let me know, comment or message or do whatever. I love this thing and I do not regret buying it. It's really good, especially if you have a furry friend who sheds a lot. Alright, well, there you go. Mia's just ready to do something. She's bored. Alright, bye.